Guys, see how the color around there? You know it's ready to be flipped. And look how crunchy it is. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my kitchen. It's Saturday night. My kids are getting the Popeyes sandwich, but not from Popeyes. I have gotten so many different emails and even YouTubers that have my number. When you gonna do your version of the crispy Popeye sandwich, spicy Popeye sandwich? And I was like, oh, you know what? Let me do it. Let me treat my kids. Now you guys know this sandwich is sold out everywhere because I wanted to get like a comparison. I make mine and my kid, whoever do the mukbang, could taste theirs. But guess what? We're just going on mine because it's sold out. Can't get it anywhere. So I'm gonna do my version of this crispy spicy chicken sandwich with the brioche hamburger buns. I got everything from all these. Some pickles, and I'll make a spicy mayo. I got my grease on getting hot. I got my chicken marinated in hot sauce and buttermilk. I think it's been like 6 hours. The longer you let your chicken marinate, like for 24 hours, it breaks down the muscle of that chicken breast. It makes it juicy and tender. So let's see. So, not using my flour, because some people's like, you using your flour too much. That's all about advertising. But for those who have my flour, of course, use my flour. You don't have to worry about seasoning your meat at all. But those of you who don't, we just got about 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. I got some, what's some things called? My parsley flakes in here, and I'm gonna go in with some onion powder. About like a tablespoon, guys, because you really want that flavor to come through. That's onion powder. We're gonna go in with some garlic powder. And whatever you use to season your chicken, because again, I'm not seasoning the chicken because it's marinated in buttermilk and hot sauce. A little bit of pepper. And we're not gonna do like the crunch. What makes your chicken crunchy, if anybody don't know it, is cornstarch. I'm gonna go in with like a half a cup of this cornstarch, and that's all I had left in here. Basically about a half a cup to 2 cups of flour. And I'm using for my spicy. Of course, I got the hot sauce marinated with the chicken, but I'm gonna go in with some cayenne pepper to give it a kick, and about 1 tablespoon on how spicy you like yours. A tablespoon. I already know what a tablespoon looks like. How spicy you like yours is how you and your family. So, let me shake it up in my bag. Yes. My grease is on, it's hot. And again, it's up how you do it in your house. Look at that. And my chicken is here. Look at this chicken. 6 hours. You know how big the chicken breast is? Ooh, wait a minute, guys. Ooh, wait a minute. That's pepper. Ooh, jeez, the pepper got me. Ooh. So, you know how big chicken breast is. The ones at Aldi's, they are really huge. So what I did to fit the bun size to get them real nice, I cut them right down the middle. Like I cut them in half. Let me show you guys, look. So I took 3 chicken breasts, ended up getting 6 pieces. Just cut them in half, look at that. This is how long it's been marinated in that buttermilk and hot sauce, and it's just gonna be wonderful. And I'm just gonna shake it off. No breadcrumbs, no anything, and place it in here. It's just because the cornstarch I use is gonna make that chicken crunchy. Ooh, I dropped it. And if you can let it sit, I can let mine sit 24 hours. This is a spare the moment Saturday night meal. Brandon had the sandwich. He swear it's so good. And Boss Lady Lexi called me yesterday. When are you going to do your version? Another subscriber sent me an email. When are you going to do your version? Guys, my version is here. Look at this. And I'm only going to do 3 in this pan. I'm using my iron skillet. I didn't want to go with the deep fryer. I'm going to shake it up. And this is a skinless, boneless breast. And here's what I'm going in with the hands. And it's nice. You see how thick it is? Them breasts, they be having these big breasts. And I'm going in just like that. I'll be back. We'll flip it. Guys, see how the color around there? You know it's ready to be flipped. And look how crunchy it is. No breadcrumbs, no nothing. It's that cornstarch. And see how big those thighs are? Thighs. Y'all want thighs? Chicken breast. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna let those cook, boo. I call them boo. So God. Cooking good. The grease is hot. Only put 3 in there at a time so it won't bring down that temperature. You know you always want your grease hot at 350. This is going to be a good sandwich. It's going to be a crunchy sandwich. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. My chicken is done. They came out nice and crispy. You know, the way you do it in your home. And I have some butter here for my brioche buns. We're going to look how shiny it is and pretty. Right from Aldi's. Going down in the butter. In the pan. What I do, what I want it to do, I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to put together my mayonnaise. And I don't have the hot sauce. I never had 2 things at once. Hot sauce behind your camera, man. Your favorite hot sauce, just to make a spicy. Ooh, I took the whole top off. What I'm doing? I'm gonna put all the hot sauce in there, right? Have a spicy mayo. How hot you want it is up to you. I can't tell you how many drops. I want to make it spicy. Let's check these buns. We don't want them to burn. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, people. Yes. There's some butter on top of the stove. Some spicy mayonnaise. Some chicken. And I know the pickle is like to take in the heat. Look at that. This is ready. Bam. Bam. Woo. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me you can't do that at home. Why stand in the Popeyes line? Why stand in the line with Popeyes, guys? I got mayonnaise everywhere. Look at that. Why stand in lines with Popeyes? If you have my flour, use my flour. You don't have to worry about seasoning. But you want to make sure that chicken is done. Cut them in half. You know, chicken breasts are really, really thick. But yeah. You want it juicy, you want it crispy, you want it like this. Look at that. And then what they do, I'm grabbing some pickles. They top it with some pickles to hold down some of that heat. Guys, it may not be Popeye sandwich, but it's my way, in my house, on a Saturday night. What y'all think about that? Let me clean up my mess. Yeah, it's quick, it's easy. You want to make sure that chicken is done. Give it a lot of flavor. Use my flour or use regular all-purpose flour, seasoned to taste. Add some cayenne pepper, some red, what's the name called? Red crunch red pepper flakes or something like that. I can't think. But guys, and make your own spicy mayonnaise. No need to stand in line. They sell bread buns everywhere. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. This is my flour. Soulfultdinners@gmail.com. Get this flour. You don't have to season it. Just add a little bit of spice to it, like some cayenne powder or some crushed red pepper flakes. and spice up my flour, or just do it the way I did it. Popeyes who? Like, share, subscribe, everybody, until my next video. Have a great weekend.